So the Operation Freedom of Mr. Donald Trump, it did not lasted even for 2 days, and it became basically Operation Flop. And just 3-4 ships passed, and they were also attacked quickly by Iran. And one of the ships which was attacked was of French origin as well. And Iran also attacked United Arab Emirates, and it was a message to United States of America that we are not caving in, and we are going to reply you hard. And this is very apparent because what the visuals are coming from the streets of Tehran, they suggest that people are behind their government. And in such a situation, any government, if the people are rallying behind them or they are rallying behind the country's flag, then that government will take hard position. And when especially the government of Iran is right now, it is supported by 1.5 world powers. One is China and half is Russia. Why I say half is Russia? Because Vladimir Putin is also stuck in its war in Ukraine. So you can say when they are being supported by 1.5 global power, then they are not going to cave in for demands of United States. And that is the reason Trump is talking about peace right now, and so is Marco Rubio talking about peace, and they are saying that they do not want any kind of war with Iran. This type of stuff is coming because they have understood that they are making huge losses in these things. And I told in my previous videos also that it will be a national humiliation for United States of America if they start a war once again. And they saw it in just a couple of days that they cannot fight geography, they cannot fight 1.5 world powers, they cannot fight Iran right now. So US is stuck. Mr. Trump is stuck in Iran game, and he basically want to come out this situation, but he want to come out in his own terms, which I don't think is possible right now. And what I told you in my last video, that once this war is over, you will see that the world order has completely changed and things are moving in that direction. And one more thing which the mainstream media, particularly the Western media, is not talking about, is the presence of a Chinese destroyer in the Strait of Hormuz area, and a Chinese destroyer called Tangshan, and the hull number is 122. It's basically I think 48th. I think the 48th, it belongs to 48 escort fleet, and it is there to support the Chinese vessels in the blockade of America. They are already paying the fees to Iranians, but if something is being done by United States of America, by their navy, they are there. So it's a very tricky situation for United States. There is the presence of Chinese navy there, and if anything happens to Chinese assets, the constitution of China says that PLA has to be activated. So they are understanding that Chinese may come into picture if things escalate, and then Iranians are not caving in. A very bad situation right now for US.